Ever found yourself at checkout, scanning for that elusive promo code box, only to be met with nothing? It's a common frustration, especially with digital payment platforms that promise seamless transactions and often great deals. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have probably whispered to yourselves while paying with FavePay. Can I add a promo code to my FavePay transaction? It's a valid query, given FavePay's reputation for offering fantastic discounts and cashback. The platform itself is built around savings, so it would seem natural to be able to stack a promo code on top of an already good deal, right? Well, let's dive into the mechanics of how FavePay works and whether that extra layer of discount is within reach. First, let's understand the core of FavePay. It's designed to simplify payments at participating merchants while simultaneously rewarding you with instant cashback, which they call Fave Cashback. This cashback is applied after your transaction and can be used on your next purchase at the same merchant. It's a brilliant loyalty system that keeps you coming back for more. Now, regarding promo codes, there are a few scenarios to consider. Typically, the discounts you receive through FavePay are already integrated into the platform's system. When a merchant offers a deal through Fave, that discount is usually applied automatically when you select FavePay as your payment method. This could be a percentage off, a fixed amount discount, or even a bundle deal. These are not promo codes in the traditional sense that you would manually input. However, Fave does run various campaigns and promotions directly within their app. These might appear as limited-time offers, flash sales, or specific merchant promotions. For instance, you might see a banner in the app advertising 20% off at selected cafes this week. When you pay at a participating cafe using FavePay, that 20% discount is automatically applied to your bill. You don't need a code, the system recognizes the ongoing promotion and applies it for you. So, where does the idea of adding a promo code come from? It often stems from experiences with other e-commerce platforms where you do manually enter codes at checkout. With FavePay, the promo is usually already baked into the transaction process itself. The magic happens behind the scenes, ensuring you get the best available deal without the hassle of searching for and typing in codes. What about external promo codes, like those you might find on coupon websites or receive via email from a specific brand? This is where it gets a little nuanced. If a merchant has their own independent promo code system and they also accept FavePay, you generally cannot combine the two. FavePay processes the transaction based on its own agreements and promotions with the merchant. Attempting to use an external promo code while paying with FavePay would likely lead to one overriding the other, or more often, the external code simply not being recognized within the FavePay system. The beauty of FavePay lies in its simplicity and the automatic application of savings. Instead of manually entering codes, the discounts are seamlessly integrated. Your Fave Cashback, along with any active in-app promotions, are the primary ways you save money through the platform. In essence, while you don't typically add a promo code to a FavePay transaction in the traditional sense, the platform is constantly working to ensure you receive the best possible savings through its integrated cashback and promotional campaigns. It's about automatic rewards, not manual code entry. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.